Here we will write a Python program to find sum of first n natural numbers using derivative formula with function. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. The formula for calculating sum of first n natural number is sum equal to n into n+1 divided by 2. So first we will define function with def keyword find sum with one parameter, and here we will calculate the sum as total equal to x into x plus 1 and this whole divided by 2, and then we will print it sum of first n natural numbers as total. Then after completing the function, we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter nth term, and then we will call the function find sum and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we will save it as find sum, and then we will execute it. I will enter nth term as 5. It will print sum of first n natural number is 15.